What's up? This is John from John Branch for Photography, and HoneyBook just released probably one of the most requested features, which is email scheduling. If you're not familiar with HoneyBook, it's a client management system that helps you manage contracts and e-signing, all of your emails, and getting your payments online quickly. Check out my playlist up above to learn more about HoneyBook, and there's also a code down in the description for 50% off of your first year of HoneyBook. But let's go ahead and take a look at the new email scheduling. So when you're in a project and you're sending an email to your client, at the bottom of your message, you'll see the schedule email icon. Click this to see a couple of options of when you can send your email, or you can set a custom date and time. Once you set that date and time, there will be a banner on that message showing when it's going to go out. If you need to change the time that you originally scheduled, just hit change. You can also do this for sending files. So click New File, pick something like a contract or a proposal, write the email for that proposal, and then hit the Schedule Email icon. Same as before, you'll see a banner that shows you when this email is going to go out. And if for some reason you need to cancel it, you can cancel that before it goes out as well. And that was a quick look at being able to schedule your emails in HoneyBook. I know this has been super requested over time, so it's a great new addition. And also there's going to be a lot of new features coming in 2020, so keep your eyes on HoneyBook. Yet again, if you haven't used HoneyBook yet and you're interested in trying it out, there's a link in the description below for 50% off of your first year. Definitely check it out because it's been a great addition to my business. Thanks again for hanging out. Don't forget to subscribe for more information on HoneyBook, photography, and creative entrepreneurship, and I'll check you all out next time. All right.